Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing my family secrets, which my grandma told us to grow very thick and long hair. And believe me friends, all of our family has been doing this for so many years, and I promise that it really works. Some people say it's all genetics, but I would say it's wrong because I have shoulder length normal hair. But my three sisters all have super long and thick hair. Even our dad has long hair because they always do proper hair care. Your hair needs a lot of care if you want it to grow long and thick. Secret number 1, head massage with hot oil. All you need is a pure oil. You can choose from any one of these 4 oils. Here goes the list: castor oil, olive oil, coconut oil, or mustard oil. Microwave the oil for 15 to 20 seconds, not more than that. Take some oil in your palm, rub it in your hands as you can see. Now, use all fingers of your hand to massage your scalp like this, as you can see in this video. Massage the head uniformly and be gentle so you don't damage the hair. You have to massage your head for the next 10 to 15 minutes. After 1 hour, simply wash your hair. This method also increases blood circulation in your head, and that promotes hair regrowth. Secret number 2, reflexology massage. Run your fingernails together. This will help stimulate hair growth. This will surely bring out the best results. Remember to do this daily. The fingernail exercise stimulates the blood flow to the head. It is only when the blood flow reaches the hair follicles, then it will help to grow new hair. Secret number 3, inversion massage. Inversion method is becoming more popular because hair experts also suggest to comb your hair in the inverted position. So put your head upside down and use argan oil or olive oil to massage your scalp using your fingertips. Do the massage for 2 to 3 minutes, and when you're done, wash your hair after an hour or so. Secret number 4, combing hair therapy. Combing stops your hair from falling out because wide-toothed combs helps to remove those stubborn and permanent tangles from your hair. So combing your hair 2 times daily helps to make hair manageable and frizz-free. So when you comb your hair 2 times daily, then eventually you will stop your hair from falling out and hair breakage. So once this happens, then obviously your hair will grow back thick. Secret number 5, head upside down washing technique. In ancient times, women used to wash their hair with their heads upside down. Simply fill a bucket with water and wash your hair by putting your head upside down. Hair dipped in water this way removes the knots from the hair and also stimulates hair growth and improves the circulation of the blood. A village in China still uses this technique to wash their hair because it improves the blood circulation, which makes the hair grow long and thicker. Secret number 6, braid while sleeping. I think this point is like every grandma's secret. When I was young, my grandma tied my hair in a braid before I went to bed. And guys, it's really effective. Do you know that 70% of our hair breaks when we are sleeping? So when we braid our hair before sleeping, our hair will never fall out while sleeping because the braid makes it manageable, and simply comb your hair out in the morning. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.